In this video, I will walk you through the assembly process, and I will also discuss lubrication, maintenance, and special instructions for using the SquirrelMax. First, determine your proper height adjustment. Find the point of greatest calf girth and, with your boots on, measure from the floor to that point. The pad height is determined by using this number to measure from the workbench to the pivot bolt. Considering the contours of your calf, set the pad at or slightly below this point, adjusting for your personal comfort. Mine is 15 inches, and I'll be working with this number as an illustration. Next, clamp the climber to your workbench. Identify the left and right pads. Both upper and lower straps should have their tail ends pointing towards your back. The pad mounts to the climber on the gaff side of the shank. Set the pad against the climber and measure from the bench to the pivot bolt. If the bolt holes do not line up at your predetermined height, go to the next lower hole. Install the bolts from the stirrup side of the climber. Before tightening the bolts, line up the adapter bar and the shank. Proper torque is 6.3 foot-pounds or 76 inch-pounds. Put 1 drop of motor oil between the swivel and the adapter bar and 1 drop on the washer. Work the oil in and then wipe the excess. Keep oil usage to a minimum to avoid attracting dirt. Spray silicone on the torsion spring if it becomes noisy or to drive out dirt, sawdust, and moisture. If you take precautions to protect the foam padding, it should last 2 or more years. Don't let it get gouged or cut, and protect it from solvents that may attack the adhesive. After each use, shake or blow out sawdust that is accumulated on the spring. Storing your climbers in a clean and dry condition will ensure proper function and long life. Avoid abusive shock that can deform the cup or break the torsion spring. The cup is designed to fit the calf girth of the average American man. If your calf girth is between 14 and 18 inches, this average size will work for you. It is critically important to cinch the top strap loosely. Cinching the strap tightly will restrict the free movement of the cup and will dramatically reduce comfort. The bottom strap, however, should be tightened in the standard way. Be aware that, infrequently, sawdust can accumulate between your leg and the cup and cause discomfort. The SquirrelMax will expand your work window indefinitely, but the added work time may expose deficiencies in your footwear. If you experience foot fatigue or pain, we recommend upgrading your footwear. So, here is the SquirrelMax climber, ready to go. Happy hooking!